right in. I decided to do an unboxing. I ordered from look at me. I ordered from Pretty Little Things for the very first time. It's really not that much. I just have boxes in here. And so we're just gonna jump right in. I'm actually really excited to see some of the stuff. I will post the picture from the website of what the outfit or what the item is. So we're gonna jump right in. Also, I just found out today, I just learned that US sizing is really different from UK sizing. So I'm actually nervous. I'm not sure if some of the stuff that I got in my size is gonna fit me. I'm afraid it's gonna be too small, but we will see. So the first thing I'm going to bring out, again, I'm gonna post the picture. I haven't opened any of this stuff. This is a black oversized side split midi jumper dress. So again, the picture is gonna most likely be right here. And I got, it's a USA, it's a 4. That's my size in dresses. I got a 4. In the UK, it's an 8. So hopefully it fits. But... ooh. Hope it's not too big, but you never know. The fabric is pretty cool. It's real stretchy. I don't know if that's too loud. Okay. Again, I'll put the picture on the sides. You should be looking at it right now. But this is the dress. It's like an oversized dress, and then I also got that belt to go with it. Let me see here. It's real plain. It's not nothing major right now, but it's just a plain dress. Maybe I'll do another video of trying these outfits on. You know what? I did not see my belt in here. Oh, here it is. I was about to be so angry because the belt is what makes the outfit. But it's right here. So I do have the belt. I'll take it out. This is the belt that I bought to go with the black dress. As you see in the photo, you just put it right around, let it sit on the waist of the dress. It says Pretty Little Things on it. No, it's backwards, but it's a D hoop. Nothing major, but this definitely makes the outfit because the dress is just a plain black dress. So let's see. Next is going to be this outfit. My mom was wondering why I got this outfit right now. I said because it's on sale. So this is actually a summer outfit or spring summer outfit. It's a 2-piece. It's lime green as you see in the photo that I'm going to put right there. This is a Shape Neon lime buckled strap crop top. Open this. You're gonna watch me the whole time. It's my sister. I hope this fits as well. I got a 4 on the top, and it's a UK 8. So got the buckles. It looks really cute on this model, so I hope I can pull this off. Well, I know I can pull this off in the summer. Maybe, guys, when we go to Vegas. He's like, what?
Oh, I thought you were
I am. Okay. And then here's the bottoms to it. Shape Neon lime buckle detail circle short. So they're shorts. I got a 4 in these as well. Again, a UK 8. And I was trying to figure out if I should have gotten a US 6. I don't know. This is not too loud. So, oh, well, good. I'm glad, because I was afraid that it wasn't like a stretchy fabric, but it is, so I should be fine. This, so looks weird right now, but again, on that girl, it's really, really cute. So, what's next off? Oh, okay. So yeah, that's that. I really liked this outfit because it's lime green and because of my nose getting stuck. Because of the buckle. So that's why I really liked this outfit. It's supposed to be tight form fitted on the lower half, and it's high waist, I think. Yeah. So that's this. I guess I should have showed you the shoes that I got to go with each one. Next, I got this suit. Here's the pants. This was I was also nervous about. I got a 4 in this as well. It's like a grayish color. It said mint, but it doesn't really look mint. It looks more gray. Again, the photo right here. Really cute. I did not get that bandeau top that comes with it because I can just go to Forever 21 or something and get one that matches it. Or put it with something different under, like a bodysuit or something, a onesie or something. So these are the pants. Again, I was nervous about these. I think I did get a 4 in this. But they don't look that bad. What is that? Do not remove unless you are satisfied with this garment. Oh, okay. Okay. Well, I'm satisfied. I gotta try it on first, but they look like this will fit me. Yeah. So that's, and I've always wanted like a really cute pantsuit, so I'm really glad that I found this. All of this stuff, by the way, obviously this is my first video, so none of this stuff is sponsored. I bought all of this stuff with my money on Black Friday. So, my money, nothing was given to me. And I've always wanted to shop at Pretty Little Things. I just never had the money to, or not really had the money. I didn't really have the money. So I was like, you know what, it's Black Friday, whatever. This is the jacket. Ooh. Oh, the jacket, because I have long arms. So I got a 6, a US 6. So it's a UK 10. Actually, this I can try on right now. Oh wait, it's buttoned. But I always go one size up on my jackets because I have long arms. So. Looks weird right now, but with the outfit all together, I'm pretty sure it's gonna look good. You know, got a little drip off of it. And it depends on what shirt I wear under it. But this is actually exactly how I wanted it to fit. Because I got long arms, so it goes all the way down. So, it's good. It's good. Good stuff. Again, you'll see the picture right to the right of this. I like the material of your clothes. For people who don't know, I'm saying UK. Pretty Little Things is a store based over in the UK. So okay, so that's all of the clothes I got, and then I have just 2 pairs of shoes to go with these outfits. I was really excited to see these shoes in person because I'm weird and I just think these shoes are so like weird vibes. Like it's really cool. They're called, hold on, let me paper. Okay. Oh, thanks. Because they're called a certain shoe. They're called, where'd it go? Oh, Caramel with a K. Black biker boots. Biker boots. I've never heard them before, and I think that's why I was like, oh, I have to look at them. I want those. And they had them in my size. But I hope they fit. Ain't these nice? Ain't these dope? So I got these to go with, these can either honestly go with the black sweater dress or the lime outfit. But I love them because they're just different. Like, I don't know, I like the way they look. Again, I'll put the picture up so you can see how it looks in the picture. I got a 9 because, I mean, it's a boot. But now I'm scared because, again, I just found out that their sizes are different. I don't even know how to put this on. Oh, okay. Actually, I want to try one on to make sure it fits. Oh, that does not come apart. So how do they think? Oh, so I guess I just gotta slide my foot in there. Okay. Make sure nothing's in there. No. I don't know how they thought with the. Oh. Pull that out the way. That makes sense. Well, actually, that doesn't make sense because how am I supposed to pull it back? I don't understand why this is here. Maybe this is just here to be on there. Okay, we'll figure that out later. I just want to make sure I can fit this shoe. Oh, I can. Look at this shoe. Hold on, let's be flexible here. Look at that shoe. Look at that shoe. Let me show you this shoe. Oh, look at this shoe. Let me get closer. These is I stomp yo ho shoes. Okay, that was a lot of work. Let me take this out, but I like them shoes. I gotta figure out how they thought, because it's like clamped right here. So I'm not sure if I'm supposed to pull that apart or not. I don't think I am, so I'll figure it out. But these are nice. I like these. I like these a lot. Whew. Again, none of this is sponsored. I spent my money on this stuff. Maybe next time it'll be sponsored. Okay. Last shoe to unbox. I like these because I don't have a pair of white shoes. I'm always wearing my sister's white shoes. So these go, oh, like what is this? Bad. So I got these to go with the blue suit because if you remember in the photo of the model, she had them white like tennis shoes on with that suit. And I was like, then I also got them because they're different. Look at this. It has like a bulk to it. And it has buckles, which reminded me of the neon outfit. So I can also wear these with the neon outfit because it has that buckle. So yeah, again, I'm gonna try this too because I'm gonna make sure I can fit them. But my sister's like, what are these shoes? They're just different. Dope. Look at these. Look at that. They dope. And they white. I can't wear this outside. Okay. I figured I'd put these on too. Unclamp. My sister, she gonna be begging to wear these shoes while she's looking crazy. Make sure I can fit them. Ooh, I can fit them, but I think I also could have went for like a half, even though I didn't see a half on there, because my toe is just I'm glad my feet not growing no more, so I can get away with it. My feet will like kind of stretch the fabric out a little bit. Let's see, it's tight too for real. These nice, and they got a little height. Look at that. These are the type of shoes you gotta wear them with. Yeah, y'all sitting on pillows to sit me up a little higher. You gotta wear it with a real cool, like a dope outfit. Oh, I can't wait till the summertime stunting on these hoods. Okay, so that's it. That's it for my unboxing. Again, Pretty Little Things. If you're gonna order from them, remember US sizes are very different from UK sizes. I think they are fitted more fitted, or they're bigger. No, I think they're like bigger. So just like if like me, I'm a 4. So my 4 over there is their 6. And I think you have to go up one on theirs. Yeah, something like that. Just look it up. Oh, and just pay attention to the size chart. Whenever you're clicking on something to add it to your cart, there is a size chart. Click on that and really look at that because that does make the difference. Anyway, you guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go try on these clothes to make sure that they actually fit me. And yeah, thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and see you when I see you.